All right, welcome 8th graders. You are on day number 6 of the VEXcode VR Part 2 and Part 3 Design Notebook. It's a long one. It's a long design notebook, but we're getting towards the end. Today you are going to start a new VEXcode VR program, and you are going to choose which activity you want to complete. And so we're going to go over your options of what you can do. And then once you do it, you're going to, of course, take a screenshot of the program into your design notebook. And so one essential question you can keep in mind is, how does a Boolean expression help with coding certain programs? So as we look at your design notebook, we are on day number 6. So it is a long design notebook, but scroll all the way down until you get to this spot here where it says start day number 6. And then from here it says activity choice. It's time to put all of your computer programming, learning, and knowledge together to complete these fun activities. You only have to choose one of these options, and each one has a description of what you will do, and it has different levels of the challenge of how far you want to go, whether it's must do, should do, or aspire to do. So I'm not going to read through each one of these with you, but I'm going to just go through a couple of them to give you the idea. So one of them that I think is fun is the number maze. So if you click on number maze, it's going to open up a new Google Doc. And from here you see you have the maze again, and the different challenges, the different level is, for level 1, it is program it to move through the maze from the start to the finish, which is the checkered flag. You actually did that with day number 4. Level 2 would be program the Vex VR robot to move through the maze, stopping on each of the numbers in order. So you would have it going from 1 and then all the way to 2, then to 3, and then to 4. The VR robot should stop on each number for 2 seconds. And then the third level would be try it in reverse. Program the VR robot to move from start to 4, 3, 2, 1, and then finish with stopping on each number for 2 seconds. So there's a couple hints given to you below. Try using the drive for block from the drivetrain category. This block moves the drivetrain for a given distance. And we don't need to do the competition challenges down below. So as you look through your options, think about which level you're going to do, but also then try a couple different ones. Look at to see if there's another one you might want to do. So for example, we're going to just try the crash of the castle, picking that one randomly. So again, it will have a picture of what you're doing, then along with it, different challenges. And so I encourage you to look at a couple different options to figure out which one you want to do. But what you're doing is going to be the same regardless of which option you choose. So once you decide on the challenge that you want, the choice that you decide on, then you're going to go to VEXcode and start programming it. And you're going to test it, modify it until you actually accomplish whichever choice you do. And once you're done, of course, you should take a screenshot of it and also check off which one it is that you did. So if you end up doing, let's just say, castle color match, well, you click on that one, put in the check mark so that I know then when I see the screenshot, that's what it would be to accomplish that one. So once you're done with that one, the second part for today, it's the same thing, but this time it is just the aspire to do background. And so I encourage you to go to the level 2, level 3 option. So when we look at, I'm just going to pick another one here, the spiral drawing. Once again, it has the image of what it is, and then level 1, level 2, level 3. So I encourage you to challenge yourself. Don't just take the easy way out. And once you're, wrong one. Once you're done putting in the code for that, you can take a screenshot, check off the challenge that you attempted, and that is it for day number 6. You just have to type in your daily summary. What did you learn from this, and what did you complete and accomplish?